Why cut individual shingles when you could invest nothing except minutes of printing and save yourself the frustration by downloading the Shingle Jig 2021?
Hello friends, yes, you heard that right. I am releasing a free jig for the Proxon. All you have to do is go to cult3d.com, go to my profile, I will link that down in the description, load it up onto your printer, and there you go, you have a jig. And that jig is going to help you create strips of scalloped edge shingles, because frankly I got sick and tired of cutting out individual shingles. My project took thousands. This actually was not possible without Gerard Boom from Shifting Lands. I had a little brainstorming session. I asked him for some advice on how to solve my problem. He showed me a way to do it by carving in the top of the foam, and I did it, and my results weren't as great as his, so I was like, let me see what I can do in Blender. And lo and behold, I came up with a jig using his idea and using the same concept that he uses for his pillar jigs. So I took all that knowledge and came up with a jig to help me, and hopefully it helps you. So if you have a Proxon, you have a 3D printer, or you have a friend who will 3D print that for you, it is yours to use. I hope you like it. I hope it works for you, because it has worked for me and it has saved me tons of time. I'm going to show you real quick how it works, and then that's the video. Give me a like, give me a sub. If it's helped you, if it interests you, let me know. All right, let me show you. So just like that, with an hour of print time, you get this, you take this, you use your Proxon or your hot wire tool, and you get this. That's simple. This will save so much time, so much madness. And I just wanted to again say thank you to Gerard Boom for all your help helping me design it, talking me off the ledge with all these shingles. And yeah, thank you for helping me, and thus in return helping you, my viewers. I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you are planning on downloading this and using it, let me know in the comments. Give me a sub, give me a like. Let's get this thing big. Again, that's the Zane Morgan Crafts Shingle Jig 2021. All right, guys, I will see you later. The download link is in the description. Let's make it blow up. All right, bye.